They're gone. It's all right. I'll be okay. And I definitely won't have any flashbacks of our happy times together to convince me otherwise.
Painting the walls means happy times.
Oh, we were so happy.
And now we're fighting with paint to show we're having fun.
God, I miss those paint fights.
But then the music slows down, 'cause the shuttle blew up and it really hit home.
I don't know why we painted that day.
But then we picked up the pieces and started painting again.
Yay, we overcame! I gotta get my family back.
And who am I? I'm a fly on the wall, a fly who's seen it all.
Ah, damn it, now we gotta repaint.
My time machine has been activated.
Time machine? I didn't know you had a time machine.
Yeah, I built it after I got bored with that European CNC.
The pig goes, wank. The cow goes, shazoo.
It most certainly does not.
The rooster goes, kikeriki.
Where? Where does the rooster say that?
The monkey goes, macaque.
No, it does not.
The elephant goes, fwab.
Oh, yeah, kinda. Okay, if everything worked properly, this should be the exact time and place that Mort was sent to. Now we've just got to figure out where we are.
Or when we are.
Oh, that's such a douche time traveler thing to say.
Shazoo!
Okay, we're somewhere in Europe.
Come on, Brian, I need this rope in case I open a nautical-themed restaurant. Come on down to Pete's Crab Shack. We got boat parts on the wall, so you know the crab comes from the ocean. Eating next to a porthole, what?
Wow, this is the craziest meal I've had since I had lunch at Tommy Sullivan's house. Very good macaroni and cheese, Mrs. Sullivan.
Thank you, Chris.
That was just awful, Chris.
Terrible.
He is not ready for flashbacks.
No, he is not.
Would you like to work here?
Me?
Yeah, you'd be perfect.
All right, now let me just take off these security tags for you.
It's a living.
So random.
That's a comment on us.
PBS presents Albino Children Are Normal.
So, with the exception of not being able to go out in the sun, you're completely normal?
Yes, the moon is my sun. I like to kill beetles. Beetles are teachers.
Joe or I found this. We'd want you right alongside us.
Well, yeah, we're like peas in a pod.
Wait, don't go in there. He's doing his podcast.
Oh, that's cute. Now that I like.
What do you think about this, you old bag?
Oh, no.